It's a very good morning. Happy Friday. Yes, we back to the church. I hope the week has been fruitful, peaceful to everyone. So we're just gonna look at the possible weekly end, how the market is likely to play out this Friday. Today is almost the end of the week. Following the release of FOREX statement, which happened on Wednesday. Yesterday, I was off market. Today, I'm just back to the chest to see what's happening. Yes, I had setups. Let's start off with the DXY. Then after, we're gonna be looking at GBP USD, Euro USD. And I'll be also looking at cryptos because I normally trade cryptos almost every weekend. Yeah. And they seem to have good setups. So DXY, like we said, my top to down analysis. This was my last time frame that where I did my analysis, my structure setups. We just saw that the dollar has already retraced back to our discounted areas. So basing on the outlook, something that we're seeing now, the dollar is currently at my decision area of what? Demand, of which I'm not so sure if this decision area of demand might hold, but this will take another step forward. For this decision area of supply of demand, sorry, to hold, we really have to do what we call a confirmation entry. Time frame alignment, since my structure setups are on 4 hour, if I need to confirm these long entries on this decision area of order block, I have to come down to the 15 minutes time frame to see if I have market structure shift. So we still have a trend on 15 minutes as you can see, and see this was a break of structure on 15 minutes. Since this was a break of structure, this is the last break of structure we have, and this was the last lower high on 15 minutes. So basically we're having a chalk. This is a market structure shift in momentum. You could see we see change in state of delivery, shift of market structure. We can see, yeah. So basically dollar has shifted on lower time frame. So this is the bullish confirmation, a bullish confirmation to see that the dollar is likely to buy off of the H4 decision area of demand, which actually is currently reacting at. So you could see a chalk, price displaced above, giving us a chalk, change of character. So basically, we have to wait for price to come to our discounted area of demand on 15 minutes. So any institution reference area that we have on 15 minutes, as far as DXY is concerned, we have this order block area. We have an order block of which I'm expecting to see price now tapping, reacting off, starting off to buy. So basically my entry will be exactly at this 15 minutes area of order block. This will be my entry, and I'm gonna put my stop loss. I think I would love to put my stop loss below this swing point. It's gonna be a little bit wide, and I'll be targeting the H4 area of buy side liquidity. So I've got a shift. I'm waiting for price to pull back towards the area of demand to see that I start buying. So Friday we are buying off the dollar. Friday, yeah, we're literally buying it off of this area of demand. Yes, GBP USD, we have on H4 we have many institution reference areas Here, what you see, this is my fair value area. You can call it an order flow area. So price is likely also to react off of this area of fair value. For some reasons, if it gives us on lower time frame a shock, yeah, or shift in market structure, it gives us a shift on 15. Yeah, because this is the area of fair value, you could say we don't have a valid area of supply, but we have a fair value area, or you can call it an order flow area. And another institution reference area is this swing point. Yeah, it can also give us an entry if price maybe sweeps this and closes as a liquidity sweep. On lower time frame, still we can frame an entry to short. Yeah, if it fails, then we can go and look for longs on if it happens to react off of these areas of supply. We have the first one and the third one, but we're waiting for confirmations. Currently, price is at the fair value area. If I'm to wait for confirmation on 15, we don't have actually a market structure shift, because this was the higher low, this is the higher high, inside here is the break of structure. So I would love to see maybe price giving us a market structure shift, then leaving behind an area of supply of which I can sell it from. But for now, no confirmations on GU, no confirmations. So I'll also be waiting for the DXY to give me a clear confirmation, because if DXY maybe confirms something, which means GU also will be having something to look at. So GU, we haven't yet confirmed. GU is likely maybe to target this buy side liquidity. So basically, I think even the dollar index is likely, if it fails, it can come to this extreme order block area. Yeah, for some reasons. So no confirmation for shorts on GU. We're still aiding for buy side liquidity. Probably we might look for entries on our area of supply that you see up. So Euro USD is the same. Euro USD, let me see Euro USD, what we're having. Euro USD, we currently reacting at the fair value area, this area. And price on 15 minutes, let me see if we have any confirmations, lower time frame confirmation. Market structure shift, still not yet. We don't have any sign of market structure shift. You can see, yeah, price had to first break below, give us a shift, then I would have looked for shorts or upon this area of supply on 15 minutes, but no confirmation yet. So it looks like price is literally targeting these areas of buy side liquidity first. It's aiming for these areas of supply, decision or extreme. So we're still long. Yes, we're still long, but I don't know why DXY has confirmed. Yeah, but I'll be waiting. So I've taken longs on Bitcoin and Ethereum. I took longs in yesterday late night upon reaction off of this area of support Bitcoin, and I'm hoping to see that it continues to buy. Yes, so after giving us a deep pullback. So Ethereum is the same thing, same setup. You see a nice reaction off of this area of demand. I took a lower time frame confirmation, I entered, and I'll be targeting this fair value gap on weekly. So this is what I had for today. We're still waiting to short GU or EU, but not as yet. Yeah, so we have to keep an eye. Have a blessed weekend. Sharp.